with Ken, our wedding celebrant, and he's done an amazing job today. We're so happy to have Ken as our celebrant and part of our special day.
He's a lovely, lovely man, and I highly recommend Ken as your wedding celebrant.
Some of their finest achievements to date have been the renovation of their home in Coburg North. First addition to their family, the lovable hound Cedar. You fed it this morning, Snacko.
We're here not only to witness their commitment to each other, but also to wish them well and every happiness of their life together.